Hey everyone, how's it going? Today we're talking about something that could completely revolutionize your relationship with medicine and pharmacies, Dr. Nicole Apelian's Medicinal Garden Kit. If you're watching this video, you've probably already heard about this medicinal plant kit and you're wondering, does it really work? Is it worth the investment? Don't worry, today we're going to answer all these questions. I've spent the last few weeks testing this product, studying the included plants, and verifying all the information. I've prepared a complete analysis for those of you who are wondering whether or not to buy this kit. So stick around until the end because I'm going to share all the details you need to know. Who is Nicole Apelian? Before we analyze the kit, let's learn a bit about who's behind this product. Nicole Apelian isn't just anyone in the world of medicinal plants. She's a biologist with a degree from McGill University, an herbalist, survival skills instructor, and perhaps most impressively, she's a multiple sclerosis survivor. At age 29, Nicole was diagnosed with this autoimmune disease considered incurable by traditional medicine. Instead of relying exclusively on conventional treatments, she developed her own system of natural remedies using plants she grows in her own backyard. This allowed her to get out of a wheelchair and reclaim her life. Her resume also includes an incredible experience. She survived for 57 days in the wilderness for the History Channel's Alone program in 2015. She also lived for years in the Kalahari Desert, learning from the Bushmen, one of the oldest cultures on Earth who primarily use plants to treat illnesses. Impressive, right? But let's get to what matters. What exactly comes in this kit and how can it help you? What is the Medicinal Garden Kit? The Medicinal Garden Kit is basically a complete natural pharmacy that you can grow in your own backyard. The kit contains seeds of 10 medicinal plants carefully selected by Dr. Nicole. There are 4,918 seeds in total, all non-GMO and high quality, grown in the United States. Each plant was chosen for its specific and proven medicinal properties. Besides the seeds, you receive a complete guide called Herbal Medicinal Guide, From Seeds to Remedies, which teaches everything from how to plant and grow each herb to how to transform them into home remedies, tinctures, oils, salves, infusions, and much more. The kit's proposal is clear. Create your own natural pharmacy at home, reducing dependence on manufactured medications and saving money in the long run. The 10 plants in the kit and their benefits. Let's get to know each of the plants included in the kit and their main benefits. 1. Chicory, the pain-relieving plant. Chicory is rich in chicory acid, a natural compound with powerful anti-inflammatory and analgesic properties without the risk of dependency. Native Americans used it to relieve pain, especially in the joints. Besides being an excellent natural painkiller, chicory also works as a prebiotic and natural laxative. In the guide, you'll find recipes for chicory salve for pain relief, chicory coffee for improved digestion, and much more. 2. Yarrow, the natural wound healer. This plant is impressive for treating wounds. It stops bleeding quickly and helps prevent infections. Nicole shares that during her participation in the Alone program, she deeply cut her hand while cleaning a fish. Using Yarrow, she managed to stop the bleeding in minutes and heal the wound so well that almost no scar remained. Yarrow can also be used to repel mosquitoes and other insects when transformed into a tincture. And for those suffering from toothaches, chewing a fresh leaf can quickly relieve the pain. 3. California poppy, better than sleeping pills. If you have trouble sleeping, this plant could be your salvation. California poppy helps promote deep and restorative sleep without the risks of dependency from conventional medications. Nicole recommends preparing a tea before bed. In just a few minutes, you'll be falling into a deep sleep. For more serious cases of insomnia or people with PTSD, post-traumatic stress disorder, she suggests preparing a more concentrated tincture. 4. Marshmallow, powerful for the digestive system. This plant contains a substance called mucilage, which, when passing through the digestive tract, creates a protective layer that calms inflammation. It's excellent for people with stomach ulcers, heartburn, indigestion, constipation, irritable bowel syndrome, or Crohn's disease. A quick remedy. Extract the roots, wash them well, and place them in ice-cold water for a few hours. The resulting liquid will have a soothing and restorative effect throughout the digestive tract. 5. Chamomile, the natural antibiotic. Who doesn't know chamomile, right? But did you know it's a true heal-all? It works as a compress for irritated eyes, tea for stomach pains, and oil for skin wounds. Chamomile oil has the ability to penetrate the deep layers of the skin where true healing happens. That's why researchers consider it one of the best natural remedies for the skin. 6. Evening primrose. natural remedy for skin and nerves. This plant contains two substances that our skin needs but cannot produce on its own: gamma-linolenic acid and linolenic acid. These substances are also important for nerve cell membranes, which explains why many people with unresolved nerve pain are turning to this plant. Evening primrose can also help balance hormone levels. If you feel constantly fatigued, gain weight inexplicably, or can't tolerate hot or cold temperatures like you used to, you might be dealing with a hormonal imbalance that this plant can help with. 7. Lavender, the perennial anti-inflammatory. Herb lavender isn't just for repelling moths. A recent double-blind study concluded that lavender oil reduces anxiety to the same extent as a daily dose of 0.5 milligrams of lorazepam, a popular anxiety medication. A lavender tincture used alongside a regular antidepressant can help you recover from mild to moderate depression much faster and lower the chance of relapse. And if you rub a few drops of lavender oil on your scalp every day, it will improve blood flow, strengthen hair follicles, and even help with hair loss. 8. Echinacea, the most powerful plant for immunity. When it comes to our health, the immune system is king. A strong immune system might save you even if you're very sick and have no medicines available. There's no better plant for taking care of your immune system than Echinacea. Nicole warns about supplements sold in stores, which are often counterfeited due to the plant's popularity. It's much better to grow your own Echinacea and make your homemade remedies with organic plants that you grow yourself. 9. Calendula, the herb for difficult times. Calendula is extraordinary for healing. Nicole's grandfather once cut his leg to the bone and, being stubborn, refused to see a doctor. He simply tied it with a thick cloth and applied her grandmother's calendula extract each time he changed the dressing. Incredibly, the wound healed in just a few weeks. As a tea, calendula does something really unique and important. It moves lymphatic fluid and cleanses your lymphatic system of the remnants of old infections and the metabolic waste we all accumulate over time. This is absolutely vital for maintaining good health and something that no modern drug does, at least as far as Nicole knows. 10. Feverfew, nature's aspirin for fevers and migraines. With feverfew in your backyard, you'll always have a way to deal with a cold, lower a fever, or fight off migraines. This plant is a potent anti-inflammatory, and people have used it to deal with inflamed and painful joints. Parthenolide seems to be the plant compound responsible for its medicinal power. The highest concentration of parthenolide is found in the flowers and leaves, so the easiest way to use this plant is to chew them raw so they release the parthenolide flowing inside. Included bonuses. Besides the seed kit and the main guide, when you purchase the Medicinal Garden Kit, you receive 2 free bonuses: Healing Yourself at Home with Household Items, a book that teaches you how to transform common items from your kitchen or pantry into powerful natural remedies such as onion cough syrup, pickled garlic, vinegar socks, potato poultice, and many others. Wild edible and medicinal herbs you can forage or find around the house. This guide helps you identify and collect medicinal plants that already exist naturally around your home, perfect to use while your seeds are still growing. Strengths of the kit. After carefully analyzing the kit, I identified several strengths. Seed quality. There are 4,818 non-GMO, high-quality seeds. That's more than enough to create an abundant medicinal garden and still save seeds for the future. Intelligent plant selection. The 10 plants were strategically chosen to cover a wide range of medical needs: pain, inflammation, digestive problems, insomnia, immunity, healing, etc. Complete educational material. The guide not only teaches you how to plant, but also how to transform the plants into usable medicines, tinctures, oils, salves, etc. Sustainability. Most of the plants are perennials or self-seeding, so your medicinal garden will return year after year without the need for replanting. Long-term savings. The average American spends $1,742 per year at pharmacies. This kit can save hundreds of dollars annually. 365-day guarantee. You have a whole year to test the product, which demonstrates the company's confidence in what they're offering. Important considerations. Now, let's be realistic. This kit isn't for everyone. There are some points you need to consider. Requires space. You need to have at least a small yard, balcony, or space for large pots. Requires patience. The plants need time to grow before you can harvest and use them. It's not an instant solution. Basic knowledge. Although the guide is comprehensive, you need to be willing to learn about cultivation and preparation of natural remedies. Doesn't replace medical care. As powerful as these plants are, some medical conditions require professional monitoring. The kit is a complement, not a total substitute. Who should buy this kit? Based on my analysis, the Medicinal Garden Kit is perfect for people interested in natural medicine. If you already have an interest in herbal medicine or want to reduce the use of manufactured medications, families with children, to treat small everyday problems like scratches, insect bites, or stomach aches without immediately resorting to conventional medicines, people concerned with self sufficiency. If you value independence and want to be prepared for emergencies, gardeners who want to expand their knowledge, adding medicinal plants to your garden brings benefits to the entire garden, as many of these plants attract pollinators and repel pests. People with chronic conditions, like Nicole, who uses plants to manage her multiple sclerosis, anyone with chronic conditions can benefit from complementary natural remedies. So, is it worth buying the Medicinal Garden Kit? After deeply analyzing the product, I would say yes. The value you receive, considering the high quality seeds, the detailed guide, and the two bonuses, exceeds the investment, especially when you think about the long term savings and the benefits to your health. Remember, having these plants available in your backyard doesn't just mean saving money at pharmacies, it's about having control over your own health, knowing exactly what you're putting in your body, and ensuring you have access to natural remedies even in times of crisis. And with the 365-day guarantee, you have enough time to plant, grow, harvest, and test the remedies before deciding if the kit works for you. What about you? Did you already know about the Medicinal Garden Kit? Do you have any experience with medicinal plants? Leave it in the comments. And if you liked this video, don't forget to leave your like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any new videos. If you want to purchase the Medicinal Garden Kit, I've put the link in the video description. Thank you for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.